vlog, and today we're going to be going to the farmhouse and we're taking you guys along for the ride. We're here with Dad right here. Yeah, let me show you. Here. Hello, we got Rayhaan in the back. And a friend of Dad's. Check this out, we're on the road.
Tell them where we're going.
Yeah, we're going to a farmhouse. Oh,
No,
we're
right now we're going to the GYMKHANA.
We're going to the GYMKHANA right now.
Link up with one of my buddies.
Yep. We're gonna meet up with Dad's friend and then we're gonna go to the farmhouse. As you guys can see, we're at GYMKHANA right now. Yeah, the guys, Land Cruisers. As you guys can see, we've arrived. Cameraman, show us around. Check the place out, man. GYMKHANA. This is the golf. This is the golfing section. Those are where all the cars are parked. Here, come guys. Come here. We're gonna show you the golf track. यहाँ पर जानवर बिछाई है if you guys want to play. It's a pretty nice seating area right here. That's the golf track over there. Just can walk. As you guys can see, this is a really spacious area. Open land for golfing. Those are golf carts right there. I'll show you more. They got nice little decoration, cats and stuff. It's actually pretty nice and organized. It reminds me a lot of like Canada and stuff. It's not most of Pakistan. देखो कितनी लंबी fields है. Of course they got the Pakistani golf cart, as you guys can see right there. Look, we got people walking. It's actually really peaceful here. Bro, stop. Yeah, next up, guys, we're currently walking. I'm pretty sure that's like a drink area over there. More drinks over here. Fuck. Check this out, guys. We're in the parking lot now. Look at this truck. We got a BMW 645 Ci right here. Here, let's show you guys more around. Come along. Yo, Rayhaans. Yo, brother. What are you waiting for? It's okay. The badge. It's kind, the logo on there is kind of messed up, but it's alright, man. What can we do? It's Pakistan, man. Gotta cover it up. Oh, yeah, but actually not bad. Yeah, but gaadi hai bhi badi achhi gadi hai. If you guys really check it out. Look. We got Hondas. Oh no, these are normal cars, to be honest. Altis, Corolla.
I think so. One is enough.
Yeah, check this out, man. Civic. These are यहाँ की basic cars. We're gonna show you some real luxury, We got an Audi right here, A6. Here we got Benz coming up over there. We got a little Benz coming up over there. Watch. There it is. Audi got a Civic. Oh, that's an E200. But there, that's a nice car. Of course, they got Islamabad plate on it. Check this out, man. Check it out. There's a truck right here too. I'll show you guys a special car that's coming up over there. Check this out, guys. I don't know what Rayhaan's doing. Rayhaan, what are you doing?
I don't know this guy. Why is he recording on the car?
This is the entrance. Yeah, okay, guys. We're currently going to the tennis club. Rayhaan seems a little bored. Oh crap! Oh, look at who's coming through, man. Look at who's coming through.
It's a Lamborghini, man.
Yeah, he in the Lambo, man. I guess this is like a little food place. We'll show you guys the inside of the tennis club, if we can. Here, check this out, man. Check this out. Oh, these guys are playing tennis here. Yeah, my bad, guys. I don't know why the camera doesn't want to focus. Oh, it's a really intense game of tennis, man. Real intense game. Check this out, guys. Here they come. Come on, man. Oh, there, bro. Guys, this guy brought my hopes down. I'm gonna be straight up honest. I thought he was actually gonna win. Lekin hard game. So let's take a little more walk. Bit of a walk. Rayhaan, maza aa raha hai. So check this out. We got more staff sitting over there. As you guys can see. Guys, ये आप lake check करें. It's actually beautiful right here. But like a beach में उन्होंने एक gold, so they I guess made a little spot for birds. Can't really tell what benefit that does, but यहाँ पर nice pathway है. As you guys can see, like just a random chair right here. They couldn't make a bench, so they just put a random chair.
It's for me. They knew I was coming.
Rayhaan, उनको नहीं पता था तुम आ रहे हो. ये देखिए, guys, ये तो बड़ा ही लंबा pathway है. It'll take us at least 5 hours to cross. ये देखिए, guys. Holy, guys, we got a lot to cover. A lot of ground to cover, man. Guys, check out the back part of the place. My bad, you guys can't really see it because these bushes right here. ये देखे guys. Guys, we just came to the back side from this little trap door right here. यहाँ से don't खुफिया है रास्ता उन्होंने बनाया.
I don't think we're supposed to be on this view.
ये देखे guys. Really beautiful place. As you guys can see, people are having lunch right here. Guys, ये आप देख सकते हैं, Rayhaan is fleeing the scene, and I have to now record alone. Now I have no company. Rayhaan is trying to go eat the club sandwich that we ordered. This guy is a fat guy, man. He's a fat one. Yeah, look, guys, we got nice seating lounge area right here. We got more stuff. Check it out. We got a big golfing field. Oh, Rayhaan's back. Yo, Rayhaan. Yo, Rayhaan. Tell everyone where you were trying to go, man.
Go,
Tell everyone.
cover the whole
Guys,
field.
we were looking through the gate or the cage, and there's an open door right here. Yep, देख सकते हैं guys. We got the club sandwiches right here in our hands. Of course, Rayhaan's holding it. आपको already पता है कि Rayhaan wait नहीं कर सकता ये club sandwich खाने के लिए. We're going back. We're actually gonna show you the other track. दूसरे वाला हम आपको दिखाएंगे the walking path, and stay tuned. So guys, the current area we were just in, we weren't allowed to go on the field just in case a golf ball hit us, and now we're retrieving. As you guys can see, Rayhaan is on the mudway, having the time of his life. You know, he's just waiting for the club sandwich to open up. There you guys again, we got the lake right here. Rayhaan, are you trying to escape the scene again? On our way back, man. Guys, there's a giant hole here. I don't know why though. Another giant hole right there. Okay guys, I think we found a seating area for ourselves right here. ये fence में रहता थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही बड़ा है. I don't think I can hop the fence. Rayhaan, मैं fence hop कर सकता हूँ? Bro, it looks pretty hard, bro. You know, कोशिश कर. Yo, are you sure I'm not gonna fall, bro?
Give me the phone, bro.
Here, let's give the phone to the cameraman. Or the camera to the cameraman. Yeah, we got it. Oh crap, bro, I almost failed that, man. Alright, let's get started with this club sandwich, man. Yeah, okay, of course. Rayhaan ne pehle kholna hai.
You know what? I'm not even gonna eat.
Rayhaan, please open it up. Oh, the box looks nice. Lahore GYMKHANA.
Check this out.
Check that out, man. Grab the shopper. They got fries, we got a Russian salad, and we got the club sandwich.
How do you know it's from Russia?
Yo, it's called Russian salad, bro. That's how I know.
Russian sandwich.
No, salad. Okay, guys, mine.
You sure it's from Russia, bro?
Oh, nah, Rayhaan. They gave me ketchup and they didn't give you ketchup.
What's this?
Oh. Sorry, guys. That was a little mistake by me. I didn't see the ketchup there. Yeah, okay, guys. It looks delicious. Yeah, okay, guys. We're gonna try it out, man. Together. Oh, crap. This is a big bite, man. Bro, why are you exposing me? Yeah, okay, guys. After the first bite, I'll be completely honest. I rate it a solid 7.5. It's good. It could be better, but I would definitely recommend. So, guys, let's get a rating from Rayhaan. Rayhaan, what is your rating, brother?
I tried one already and it's really nice. I'll give it like an 8.5.
8.5. That's not bad of a rating, man. Come on. A 7.5 and 8.5. That's a great rating, if I'll be honest. Guys, we're gonna see you as we're done eating. Stay tuned. Guys, as you guys can see, we just witnessed a random clock in the middle of nowhere. And, you know, I guess it's a good thing so it can show us the time. Or tell us the time, actually. If it works. That's true. Come on, guys, we gotta keep walking. Whose phone is that, bro? Holy, somebody has a loud ringtone here. अब देख सकते हैं और एक दो तो शायद उधर गेम चल रही है कोई. I don't know, this thing reminds me of a little college right here. But
this way.
Which way should we go? Left or right? I think we should go right.
So they say where we were Chuck.
Oh, yep, the exit there we got. Good old Pakistanis. They brought the bike inside because they're savages. We're back here at the main spot. Oh, we got a lot more ground to cover, man. Oh, yep, they said that this was the first place we showed you guys. Okay guys, I think that's it for the GYMKHANA today because there's a lot of ground and I think it's going to take us the whole day just to cover most of the ground. So now we're going to go to the farmhouse, or what I thought was a farmhouse. It has, you know, some animals there, but it's still developing. They're building, they're working on it. And we're going to pick up the camera as soon as we're in the car on the way there. See you guys. Check this out guys. Dad's friend is currently leaving. As you guys can see. We got the dad lady, you already know. The truck. There's more cars around. Yeah, guys, this thing is a monster. Alright man, safe ready. Okay. Okay guys, there was a little change of plans. We're actually headed to go get a collar for Mufasa and we'll take you guys along with us. Oh guys, check this traffic out. This is a horror for you guys.
Our friend.
Keep it steady.